Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ibrahim and I'm going to make menemen for you in this video. Menemen is a Turkish food which is generally eaten at breakfast but also at lunch, even at dinner. Now let's see the ingredients. The ingredients that we need are 3 tomatoes, but I have just 2 tomatoes because my tomatoes are big enough. Also 2 green pepper, 1 onion, 3 eggs and oil and spices. Firstly, I'm going to chop the onion. Now I'm adding olive oil in the pan. You can use any kind of oil. And now I'm adding the onion. I'm cutting the peppers and taking the seeds out. I washed the peppers and now I'm chopping them. By the way, don't forget to mix the onions. I'm adding the peppers without wasting any time. Now I'm peeling the tomatoes and chopping them. Chopping the tomatoes. Onions and peppers look nice, so I can add the tomatoes. Okay, now I will wait for tomatoes to be cooked and I will mix them a few times. I put the tomatoes 7 minutes ago and I'm still waiting for tomatoes to be cooked. We have a few minutes more. Now also tomatoes are ready and I can add the spices. I use salt, red pepper, and black pepper. Now I'm mixing it. Okay. Now it's time to get in the pan for the eggs. After I add the eggs, I don't mix it a lot because I don't want to lose its nice appearance. Okay, menemen is ready. Okay, I took my little sister and now she's gonna taste my menemen. Now it's a bit hot, so you should wait. How's that?
Yummy, yummy.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you.